Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the DAICEL brand. Their cordless electric spin scrubber has dual speeds and 4 replaceable cleaning brush heads. You can see right in front of you right there. Cordless and portable. Say goodbye to traditional back-breaking manual cleaning. So what's nice about this is it spins, it has a lot of torque. I already tested this, and it has internally a 2000 milliamp hour battery. I love the profile of this, it's really small. You can fully charge it in 1.5 hours, and the 2 speeds are 270 revolutions per minute or 320 revolutions per minute. And as I'm going to demonstrate, this can be used to clean your sinks, your tiles, and your shower doors, the glass doors that are a real pain to clean. And this is all premium ABS material it's made out of, and it has overprotection, over voltage circuitry in there when you're charging it and using it. And if you stall it, it'll shut down to prevent any damage to it. It has 4 replaceable brush heads. They're made of premium coarse PC bristles that don't shed easily and prevent scratching up your products wherever you're doing it, your sinks and your glass. The flat brush head can clean flat surfaces such as counters, sinks, and bathtubs. The corner brush head is suitable for cleaning your tile grout and corners and hard to reach areas. Scouring pad is special for kitchen grease cleaning such as stoves and ovens. So the sponge is also great for glass and mirrors, which is right here, the sponge, because you could do glass and mirrors with that without scratching them up. Now you can see it has a Velcro holder on there. We're going to show you how this works. Comes with a little instruction manual and a USB-A to USB-C cable. Now what's really nice, there's also a little cap on the back right here. After you charge it, you cap this back up. Charging is really simple. You just put in the USB-A cable to any 1 amp or greater, plug it in right there, and there's a little LED indicator there that will be red and that will go to green when it is fully charged. Now I really like the profile of this. If you look at it compared to my hand, it's nice and small. So you hit the button once, and that's the first speed, and that's the second speed, and that's the off. And it's also nice and lightweight, so you don't have any heavy weight to it. Now these pieces, they click on here just like that, and then you can go and use them. And what's nice, it's got a nice amount of torque. If I try and stall this, I mean, it's slowing down, but it's not stalling. So that's what you want. This is going to be scrubbing away all that dirt and grime so that you don't have to be doing it manually. So when you want to remove them, you just pull them like that and they come out. Then this one right here slides in place. There's where you could use all the different attachments on here. And this is actually, again, for doing your mirrors and your glass. Here we're going to clean the sink with this attachment. I got a little soap on there. Nice to see some of those stains coming off. And here we're going to use this attachment on the stove top. And it's so light and able to just get into all these nooks and crannies on the stovetop. Here we're going to clean around the sink using this attachment and some barkeeper's friend we're going to put on here. And the same attachment for the bottom of the sink. Go on high. I'm not putting hardly any pressure. I'm just letting the tool do the work. And then you rinse it off. And it's all clean. Now, a lot of sinks have these spray nozzles and they always get clogged up. So let's try a little bit of powder on here. Put this on high. and that did a beautiful job cleaning that spray nozzle. So after testing, what do I think about the DAICEL brand, their cordless electric spin scrubber with dual speeds and 4 replaceable cleaning brush heads? Very nice product, very light as I demonstrated, and lots of torque on here, and it worked really well to clean my sinks and my glass. You can even use this on your pans. Really nice in your stove top. So this product is well made, and it's got a nice light feel to it, comfortable grip. I'm going to give it a full 5-star rating. Please remember to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you're alerted to new video uploads. And if you thought this review was helpful, please hit the like button. There'll be an ordering link in the information section of this video review. Please use that link when you order this product to help support this channel. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.